Hey, my friend, Rhonda K here. I trust that you're having an excellent day. I want to tell you about a referral program that this bank has going on right now. You may have already heard of it, but if you haven't, I want to tell you, listen, you are either full-time and you need supplemental income, you're unemployed and you need income, you are actively seeking a way for supplemental income, and you're actively seeking a way to get a job, to change. These companies will pay you to be a customer. They will pay you to be a customer. So this is a bank. You create the free account. You add $50 from your debit card that you have now. They will add an instant $25. Boom, that's it. $25 in your pocket, right? Every person that you refer, you get $75 deposit in your account. Right now, they're running a promotion. On top of that promotion, they're running a promotion where when you refer every new person, you'll get $100 deposit in your account. Okay? So you can start doing the math with that. And this is one of those things, normally I don't encourage you to tell family and friends, let people find you naturally. But if you were to tell family and friends, such as I have, it's not an uncomfortable conversation. It's like, hey girl, hey bruh, I found this bank. You add 50, they'll give you 25, and every person you refer, they'll give you $75. And right now, they'll give you $100 on your account. Okay? So, you got 5 or 6 children, adult children or whatever. That's $600, $700 right there. You see? So start playing around with the numbers, start getting excited. But all in all, just to let you know that there is plenty of opportunities out here for you to create a supplemental income. You don't have to be sitting around struggling. And plus, this gives you confidence while you're looking for that job, while you're looking for that extra dream supplemental income. While you're doing that, you can be referring people to these different programs. So that's that. I have the link in the video description. Go create your free account, add 50, they'll add 25, and every person that you refer, they'll give you $75 deposit. And like I said, right now, they're giving $100 for every person that you refer. Finally, I do want you to take a free tour of this multiple streams of income. It's multiple income funnel is what it's called. But there are 4+ income streams in there. And within 7 days, I made my first referral. And within 10 days, I made another sale. Okay. And then I have an income stream that's not a part of it. It's a direct mail. You may go and find that video. Just got an email today that cash is on the way to my mailbox. So get your hustle on, get your side gig on. This is the gig economy, the hustle economy, whatever you want to call it. But I just want to let you know that there are ample ways for you to generate extra income. All right. All right. So check out the information, learn more about it. Don't let the start stop you. Hey, many blessings.